Hey, welcome back to our Lecture 3A series. Again, in this part of the lectures today, we are talking about grammatical range and accuracy, and we focus on a passive voice, its forms, and its usage. All right, let's get started. So, in this part of the lecture, again, we will look into the main form and its usage. Well, just before we get started, I would like you to have a look at the color code on your top right. So we use light blue for the subject and yellow, of course, for the verb, and orange is, of course, for the object. So you can familiarize with this, and we're good to go. So below, there are two columns. On your left, you see active voice column with its example and formula and its usage. Then on your right column, you would see passive voice, formula, example, and its usage. So I think this is important. Right. Just before we go any deeper, what is active voice? Well, of course, active voice is when the subject does the action and when the subject receives the action. And what is passive voice, by the way? Well, I stated this clearly in the lecture 3. Passive voice is when the object does the action and the subject become the receiver of the action and or become an agent, which is not entirely necessary. So you can omit it anytime. Right. Let's look at the active voice first. So the main formula of active voice is subject followed by verb and object or complement. Then we can look at the example. Number one, workers harvest the coffee beans. So workers in this case, well, in this sentence, work as a subject who does the action. Two, the government built 500 new homes. Well, again, the light blue color code is for the subject. In this case, the government does the action. By doing what? Building 500 new homes. 3. The researchers conducted the survey in 2019. Well, the researchers in this case is the subject of the sentence. And they do the action, right? So, how do we use active voice in your IELTS Academic Writing Task 1? Well, we use active voice when the agent or the doer, in this case the subject, is important and when you want to emphasize who performs the action. Alright, let's move on to the passive voice. So, here is the main formula of the passive voice. We have object followed by verb to be and verb 3 column or past participle and followed by the agent, which is the subject. So in this case, the subject becomes the agent, which is not entirely compulsory. Let's look at the example. 1. The coffee beans are harvested by workers. So in this case, the object here, right? The coffee beans, and we have verb to be, or this is verb to be in the present tense, and harvested, that is past participle verb 3 column, then by an agent, workers, right? You see how different it is in active voice and passive voice. In active voice, workers is a subject of the sentence, but when we transform it to passive voice, it changes to the object of the sentence. I mean, the receiver of the action. Right. Number two, 500 new homes were built by the government. So again, we just transform the active sentence into the passive voice, and the subject of the active voice become the agent of the passive voice tense. 3. The survey was conducted in 2019. You see how this statement is transformed from active to passive voice, and the researcher in this case is being omitted because it's not important. Alright, when do we use passive voice in your IELTS academic writing task 1? Well, we use it with the process diagrams, or in other words, to describe the process diagrams, especially when the agent is unknown or unimportant, and to achieve a formal academic tones, and also, of course, to get a higher band score. So here's a key insight for you to take away. In passive voice, the object moves to the front. The verb becomes verb to be, followed by past participle or verb 3 column. And the subject, in this case the agent, is often omitted entirely because it's not important. Alright, that should be it for today's lecture. Again, if you have any question or concern, please do leave it in your comment section. Then I'll get back to you as soon as possible.